I'm proud to be an Okie from Muskogee, a place where even squares can have a law. We steal away the floor down at the courthouse. The white lightning still the biggest thrill of all.
The next essential step to fingerpicking in the Jerry Snyder book is to alternate the bass once again. So far, what we looked at on a D chord was the root alternating with the fifth, fourth string to third string. Now instead of hitting that root again on beat 3, he's going to alternate it as well with the fifth string. So we're going to go fourth string, third string, fifth string, third string. This is root 5, 5, 5, D, A, D, A. He's using a method of notation where he's showing the guitar strings and he's showing you which string you're striking, but not what fret you're playing. So this isn't traditional tab. He's using T's for thumbs, as I mentioned. I'm going to stay with P, pulgar, because that's the way you'll see it more often. So on the D chord again, D to A to fifth string A. And he wants you practicing that for a while. Hold the D chord and just listen to your bass. These high third strings should be quieter than the fourth string and fifth string on beat 1 and 3. So accent, accent, accent. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to sound like a country bass player or even a Spanish player. That fourth and then fifth string is what we're looking for accents. We move that to a G chord now. We jump from low G to high G, third string. The B on the fifth string, back to the high G. Again, practice that until you're comfortable with where that thumb is landing in the G chord. The A7 is played like the D. The two lowest notes are going to alternate from the fifth to the sixth string. On D they went from fourth to fifth. That's root to 5, root to 5. The high note is still third string. In his system, that thumb is always hitting the third string on these chords. So it's fifth string third, sixth string third, oompa on the low strings. Again, practice each one until you're comfortable with them. Then you can string them together. First, we have to add our picking again. One level of practice on this could be to put your pointer finger on second string again and do all the alternating bass, only hitting that second string note on beat 2 and. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 4, third, 5, third, 4th, third, 5, third. You can try that on G, 6th, third, 5, third. With the index after the third string the first time. And same thing on the A7 chord, 5th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd. Then you can go back and put in the middle finger on the first string. So that would be after the lowest bass note. On the G chord. And A7. Then we can put them together. Index, middle on the top two strings. Fourth string, third index, fourth, middle, third. Fourth string. chord. He gives us an exercise here to do it. Exercise 1, we'll do 2 bars of D, 2 bars of G. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and G. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and D. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, G. 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, D. 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and G. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, D. Next bar would be D's and A's. So 2 on D, A, D, A, D, A, and D, D, G, G, A, D, D. Of course, when I say A, I mean A7. I'm just saving breath. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, G. 2 and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and A7. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. D, 2 and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Back to the top. D, G, A7, D, and then he does the Okie from Muskogee. This song modulates. It'll go up to a new key halfway through when you do the actual recorded version by Merle Haggard, but we'll just do part of it on the D and the A7. Beautiful song again for that example of a 1 chord and a 5 chord. If you're reading your bars, again, this looks confusing. You'll go D, 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 A7, 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 D, D, A7, A7. And it can get confusing there until you break it into 4s. You see a line of D, then a line of D split with A7s. So the 1 chord, 4 times, and then on this line, it's replaced by the 5 chord at the end. Then we repeat the idea with 5 chords. 5 chord for a line, then here, and 2 Ds. It's not random, it's chunks of 4. 4 bars split in half. 4 bars on A7, 4 bars split in half. I'll do 175% speed with Merle Haggard's recording, and then maybe we'll do one fast one.